I'm unboxing and reviewing this handheld steam cleaner, and thank you so much to the seller for sending this to me. So if you are looking for a easy to use steam cleaner, you can use this really anywhere in your house, then I would definitely recommend checking this one out. You can use it on furniture, on flooring, you can use it on bathroom tile, you can use it in your kitchen, on your stove, you can use it in your car. There's really no limit to what you can use this for, and I love that it's handheld, it's portable, and easy to use. So let me give you a closer look. So here is what it looks like. So very simple and easy to use. You have your power button, so it will turn off and on, and then you can switch out the nozzles here. So I'll show you actually using it, but just to give you an idea here, all you have to do is click in the different tools like that. It's flexible as well, which I really like. So then all you have to do is press this button and then it will pop off. So then here is a shorter one that you can click on, and then this is also really helpful to get into tight spaces. And then again, you'll just press this button and then it comes out. So I'll show you how this works actually using it, but if you were looking for a good portable handheld steamer, then I would definitely recommend checking this one out, and I hope that you enjoy it just as much as I do. So here are all of the parts that it comes with. So it does come with two different hoses. So you have the shorter one and longer one, and then here are all of the little cleaning tools that it comes with. So I love that you have the different type of brushes depending on what you're cleaning. You do also have this flat one, which is great. And then you do have a couple different ways that you can put the water into the container. So I'll show you here. And then you do also have a cloth to put over one of the tools, which I'll show you that as well. So first you'll want to fill up however much water you're wanting to use. I did half of this container, fill it up, and then you will screw on the lid here, and then you are all set to go. So once you do have that lid on, then you'll plug it in, and then you will see the red light on the bottom turn on. That means that it is heating up, and then it will be ready shortly. So I am going to show you on my sink around the faucet. It is so bad, but I wanted to give you all a good example. So I put on the flat brush, and then you can see the steam is already coming out here. And then all you have to do is start putting it on the surface that you're wanting to clean, and it really worked pretty instantly. So I will show you the after. This is all of the gunk that came off, and then I'll show you all of it. It was really gross, but just to give you all a good idea. And then here's the after. So it turned out perfectly. I was really happy with that. So there's the sink, and then I do also want to show you this cloth because I was really excited about it, using it on furniture specifically. So you'll put it around the flat tool here, and then I'll show you how we use it on my couch. So this is great if you are wanting to either clean the surface, if you're wanting to get any wrinkles out of fabric, and it is really soft and really easy to use on fabric. You don't have to worry about it messing anything up. And then there's the steam coming off, as you can see. So that one was super easy to use as well. And then I'll also give you one more example on tile here. Here's the before. I use one of the round scrubbers, and then here's the after. So I would definitely recommend.